on board the sh150. I'm gonna do a little ride. It's, what is it, like 130 miles divided by 1.381, I think. Whoa, I'm getting 94.13 miles to the gallon. That's incredible, guys. That is really excellent. All right, I hit 10,000 miles on the sh150. That is fascinating. Look at this. It's built into the cliffside. Wow. That is one of the interesting, and I think it's being built, so I think I'm gonna just go in here really quick. I have never seen this. This is really amazing. It's built into the mound of... That is amazing. I've passed through here so many times and I have never seen this. That is... So this house is for sale and you can see they're building it, but it was not like this before. I've never noticed this. I've passed through here literally thousands of times and I've never seen this. It's built, it's kind of like what they do in New Mexico, one of those earthship houses. That is fascinating. Built into the cliffside. That's amazing. Fulton, that is freaking amazing. Okay, so this is the Christine Martin 410 984 9031. That is so freaking cool because from the road it just doesn't look like anything. Hey, I'm catching up with this guy. It takes a lot of work to reel in a car or motorcycle. Is this a guy going with his old lady for a spin? You know, the last thing I like doing is getting stuck on these major highways like this with just one lane. This is the railroad track that runs up here. And you can see I like these towns because this kind of reminds me of Ellicott City, but much more affordable out here. The town are just kind of like locals to the area and there's very few businesses. But now look at this, it's packed. It is full. River Road is here. This is actually kind of cool areas that I'll ride. But you can see all of this is packed. There's a little park over here and I think there might be a trail of some kind here. That's pretty cool. Sykesville Station. I think I'm gonna go in here really quick and just kind of look around. Yeah, it's very interesting here. Look at that. This is the back part of the town. The main avenue here. Patasco Distilling Company. It's funny, like the virus takes a break for people to eat lunch. But this is the main strip of Sykesville. Sykesville Physical Therapy. It's really cool, cute looking here. Here's somebody from the rich parts of DC. Look at that little house slash garage. And this one's for Biden. Oh, that's really interesting. Yeah, that house is amazing. They even have more stuff in the back. Damn, it's just so awesome looking. Especially the location. I just had to get a double take on it. There's a fellow scooterist behind me. That's kind of cool. You gotta have helmet and some other crap. Alright, let's see if the scooter guy... Look at that car. No, they're doing a shooting of that car. Yeah, it's beautiful. Perfect for taking some photography. Look at that element. That's a really nice element. Oh, that's probably the photographers. Hey, buddy. Suzuki SV. There's a Harley behind me now. And he's kind of like swerving. He's really far back. What the hell? Is he going actually slower than I am? Man, my eyes. Look at that. It's so bright. Kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me.